Okay, you need to know about perimeter. It's the term for the total distance around the boundary of an object. It's basically the length of the line you trace around a shape. So perimeter can be found with the following steps. You need to first make sure all the lengths are in the same units. There will be questions that try to switch them up. And if you just put the numbers together, you get it wrong because you didn't check the units were the same. Second step, decide if the object has straight sides or curved sides, or a combination of both. If the object has straight sides, you just add them together. If the object has curved sides, you're going to use these formula below. So what I'll do is I'll get you to get those steps 1 to 4, and then I'll scroll down so you can see the formula for stuff that has curved sides. We're only dealing with parts of a circle this year. So perimeter, make sure the units are all the same. If the shape has straight sides, just add them together. If they're curved, you need formulae. To say again, if your object has straight sides, you're just adding them together. If I have a square, what's special about a square? 4 sides, all the same. Add 4 things together. If something's got curved sides, you need formula. The perimeter of a circle has a special name. It's called the circumference. So what is the circumference of a circle? 2 times by pi times by r, which stands for the radius, or pi times by the diameter. You can use either of those formula. You might think the sector formula looks kind of weird because a sector is like a pizza shape. But it makes sense when you look back at it because the sector is part of a circle, yeah? So this part of the equation, this part of the formula here is telling you what fraction of a circle you have. Whatever the angle is over 360 times 2 pi r. Is anyone game to explain to me what this 2r is on the end here?
2 times radius?
Yes, why? Why is there an extra 2 times radius? I thought we just had a fraction of a circle here. Yep.
You got the pieces leading to the center.
Yes. The perimeter of this shape, it looks like a triangle with a curved side. So this part of the formula tells you how much of a circle this is, but that's not the perimeter of the shape. The perimeter of the shape is straight side, curved side. So you work out what section of the circle we have, and we add 2 radii. That's what the 2r comes from. Thank you. Get those 2 formula down. So your cheat sheet for this test is just going to be a truckload of formulae. And then any space that you have left is going to be examples of tricky questions. Like 6D, question 8. Or I'll scroll down so that you can get the example and leave the formulae there. Does that shape only straight sides, or am I going to have to use a formula?
Formula.
Yep, for one part of it. The rest is straight sides. Scroll down a little bit. That's the picture. Someone tell me what the little dashes mean.
Sides are equal.
Yep. So could I put some extra information on this to help me out? Where could I put another 4?
On the line.
On the line, single lines. Which one? This one? Yeah, 2. 2, sorry. I could put another 5 here. Do I know how long all of the straight sides are currently?
No. You do
Yes or no?
hypotenuse.
No, I'll scroll up quick. Do I know all the straight sides just yet? Okay. What was the name of that Greek guy or whatever his name was?
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras. How am I going to work out how long that is? Because I need that straight side.
Plus 3 squared.
Yep. So this is going to be, let's call that x. X squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. X squared is equal to 9 plus 16. That's 25. So x is going to be 5. So we know that's 5. And that's 5. Where do you want to start? Oh, yes, question?
With the 4 centimeters under the semicircle, is that from here to here or in the middle?
I see what you mean. Yeah. That dash is representing the length of this line here.
Yeah.
So the diameter of that circle is 4. The radius of it would be 2. Okay, where do you want to start? There's not one way to answer this. I like to start off with the harder things first, so I can just cruise the rest of the stuff. Which is the one that I need the formula for?
2 times 4 half.
The circle. So let's work out the perimeter of that. What is that? It's going to be 2 times by pi times by
2.
2, because the radius of that circle is going to be 2. Calculator. 2 times by
Then half that.
pi times by 2 is 12.5663, but that's for a full circle, so I need to divide it by 2. 6.28. So divide that all by 2. 6.28 centimeters to 2 decimal points. That is a semicircle. And according to your 4 steps, what do I do with straight sides? Do I need to do any special maths with that? What do I do? Add them together. Straight sides total 4 plus 5 So I'm going clockwise, plus 5, plus another 5, plus 5. So that 4, 5, 5, 5. I think I've got all the straight sides there. 5 times 4, 20, so 24. So perimeter, 30.28 centimeters, I believe. 24 plus 6.28. That's how you find the perimeter of stuff with curved and straight sides.